After months of having my footwells wet, I went looking for videos that showed how to unplug the air conditioning drain. You got to get under the car. Not a lot of people have lifts to get it up and do it easily. And besides that, they suggest to blow it out with compressed air. It works temporarily. The real problem is you've got pollen, you've got leaves, you've got bugs all down in there, and that's what's plugging it up. You need to suck it out. Don't get under the car to clear that drain. You'll vacuum, pull that carpet back there. You don't have to take any of the trim off, just pull that down. Gently pull the hose off, pull it up. Put the vacuum cleaner nozzle on it, wrap a rag around it, and I'll show you what you get. If you just use air, compressed air to blow up, it just blows the debris right back in it. It'll clog up again. Suck it out.